Hello everyone! The iconic Chicago deep dish, not just simple one, the sourdough one, making the dough and shaping less than 10 minutes. Is it possible? In this video, I will prove it that it's possible. Let's get started. Let's start our dough. For this, I'm gonna use flour, white flour, salt, and I mix well, that I'm sure the salt is everywhere. According to the recipe, butter. Here what we're gonna do, make it everywhere. We're gonna make it this butter as a dust. Make sure that in every part of your flour, you're gonna have your butter and you will feel dust consistency, blending butter with the flour. Really important. Some people use food processor. I think that after it's hard to take out from food processor and you are losing time again to take out the flour from the food processor. It's my personal opinion. You can do how you find it comfortable for you. And now I'm gonna put some water and our starter, really active. It's bubbly, double in size, ready to go. First, I'm gonna mix really well only starter with water. Make sure that our starter dissolved with the water really well. Then just mix. Just mix like this. It's ready now. After that, we stop. We stop to knead the scraper, always handy for this kind of situation. Clean up your hands. With this quantity of the dough, I make 2 pizza. And my form 10 inches. I'm just gonna try to clean up side of the bowl and try to kind of divide our dough into, it's a little complicated, but we need to divide it. I already have bowl. I just transfer here like this. Okay, 7 minutes, 30 seconds. I stop. And our first stage is ready. I just cover it and I'm gonna wait for 4 hours. That is double in size. Minimum 4 hours. Maybe for someone it's gonna be a little long. It depends on the room temperature. And after that, I will just transfer to the fridge. Let's prepare the most flavorful base for my vegetarian sourdough Chicago deep dish pizza, the tomato sauce and veggie toppings. First, I grate the onion using a cheese grater and 5 garlic cloves on the thinner side. This technique ensures a smooth and aromatic sauce. Cook the grated onion and garlic in olive oil over medium heat. As they start to soften, I add a generous pinch of herbs of Provence to infuse the base earthy aromatic flavor. Next, pour in tomato pulp and stir until everything combines beautifully. I follow with 100 grams of tomato concentrate for richness. Then add canned cherry tomatoes for a burst of sweetness. Finally, I season with dried oregano, basil, letting the sauce simmer until thick, fragrant and absolutely delicious. This is the soul of great pizza. For the toppings, I roast a red bell pepper in the oven to bring out its natural sweetness and make peeling more easy. Peel the skin and slice the pepper into thin strips. Next, I saute sliced mushrooms in olive oil until golden. Mushrooms are perfect vegetarian substitute for pepperoni in this hearty deep dish pizza. With the sauce ready and veggies prepared, we're all set to assemble this incredible sourdough Chicago style pizza. baking day. We continue work with dough. When dough was double in size, I put in the fridge. Now, after cold fermentation, minimum 1 day, it's just right from fridge. We need some flour. Take out your dough. And our goal, not to touch it too much. We're trying to keep this fermentation. Put a little bit flour on top and roll it down. Slowly. We don't want to push too hard. My form is 10 inches, and when it's gonna be around 10 inches here, I'm gonna stop. In this, I'm gonna bake. What I'm gonna do, this part is dusted part, this part is sticky part, and the sticky part I put here. And try not to push hard, just a little bit, just important part that it sticks. Because the first time in the video I saw that guy was pushing, but it was not a good idea. Because we want to have fluffy dough. This is ready. The dealing with dough, it's ready. And let's check. Less than 10 minutes. Let's put our filling and let's still check our time. First, I'm gonna take this kind of cheese. Me, I'm using Mantecoso, if I'm not wrong. But ideal one, better provolone cheese. If you have some chance to have this kind of cheese, you can use. You can use also mozzarella cheese. It depends of your taste and what available in your market. Because me, I wanted provolone in this stage. Okay, I put my first layer of cheese, our sauce, which is, look at how it's not liquid. Then I'm gonna just layer my pepper. Then our 1 layer of mushroom. The filling, you can do whatever you want. You can put some pepperoni, you can put whatever you want. It's really your imagination, your preference. In my case, I want to do vegetarian one. Then I'm gonna take my mozzarella. What I'm gonna do, I'm just like squish it like this. Good. And like this. Full of good things. Mozzarella is done. Now it's our last touch. Parmigiano. My goal to cover everything with cheese that we cannot feel this color from veggies. It's done. Almost 7 minutes. We're gonna need a lot of time. Okay, bake it for 45 minutes and it's gonna be ready. Ta-da-ta-ta! Voila. Everything is ready, we're gonna eat, but we need to wait. We cannot take out right away. 5 minutes we need to wait, and meanwhile, everything is ready. Thank you for watching my sourdough Chicago deep dish. I hope you enjoyed learning how to create this delicious dish from scratch. If you love sourdough recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so you never miss a video. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more sourdough magic with you. See you next time and happy baking! To have better flavor, I use some chili flakes. I just want to show inside. Look at this crust. Bon appétit!